Put your name at the top of the test. These are the test questions read aloud. If you need to pause at any time, just pause it. If you need to rewind and listen to me give the question again. Number 1. Which customary unit would be most appropriate to measure the height of a pro basketball player? A. Miles, B. Feet, C. Yards, D. Inches. Number 2. Which of the following would you most likely use yards to measure? A. Length of a piece of notebook paper. B. Width of a dime. C. Distance an airplane travels. D. Length of a room. Number 3. Which metric measurement is the best estimate for the width of a classroom? A. 6 centimeters. B. 6 millimeters. C. 6 kilometers. Or D. 6 meters. Four. Which metric unit would be most appropriate to measure the length of a crayon? A. Meters. B. Centimeters. D. Nope. C. Decimeters. D. Kilometers. Number 5. Which metric measurement is the best estimate for the average height of a 5th grade girl? A. 150 centimeters. B. 150 meters. C. 150 millimeters. Or D. 150 kilometers. Number 6. Anne is making party decorations. She draws and cuts out a square with sides that are 12 centimeters long. Next, she draws a regular octagon with the same perimeter as the square. How long is each side of the regular octagon? A. 1.5 centimeters. B. 6 centimeters. C. 48 centimeters. Or D. 96 centimeters. What is the perimeter of this figure? A. 26 meters. B. 28 meters. C. 31 meters. Or D. 34 meters. Jamie wants to put a rectangular fence around a portion of her yard. Which shape would not work if she wants to use exactly 40 feet of fencing? A. 12 feet by 8 feet. B. 17 feet by 3 feet. C. 14 feet by 6 feet. D. 11 feet by 10 feet. Remember, you're thinking which one will not work. Number 9. Dustin is buying carpet for his living room. How many square feet of carpet will he need to buy? Remember, he's carpeting, so he's filling this room with carpet. A. 32 square feet. B. 64 square feet. C. 231 square feet. Or D. 462 square feet. Number 10. Mr. Nissan needs to purchase a square gymnastics pad with the following dimensions. What is the area of the pad in square meters? Remember, that's the inside. Area is inside. A. 20 square meters. B. 40 square meters. C. 100 square meters. Or D. 200 square meters. Number 11, the area of a square is 36 square meters. What is the length of each side of the square? A, 6 meters, B, 9 meters, C, 12 meters, D, 18 meters. Number 12, which of the following rectangles has the same amount of area as this parallelogram? A, B, C, D. Number 13, which parallelogram has the greatest area? A, B, C, D. A parallelogram has the height of 5 centimeters and the area of 40 square centimeters. What is the measurement of the base of the parallelogram? Number 15. The figure below shows the shape of a window in a museum. What is the area of the window? A, 66 square feet, B, 70 square feet, C, 132 square feet, D, 138 square feet. Which triangle has the area of 9 square meters? A, B, C, D. A triangle has an area of 24 square centimeters and a base of 6 centimeters. What is the height of the triangle? A, 2 centimeters, B, 4 centimeters, C, 8 centimeters, or D, 12 centimeters. Number 18, find the circumference of the circle. A, 15.7 inches, B, 16.20 inches, C, 10 inches, D, 31.4 inches. Number 19. Mr. Collins is planning to build a shed with a rectangular floor. In his original plan, the length of the floor was 7 feet and the area of the floor was 28 square feet. In his new plan, he wants to extend the length by 3 more feet. If the total area of the shed will be 60 square feet, by how many feet will he have extended the width? Number 20, a living room is 18 feet long and 10 feet wide. If the dimensions of the living room are doubled, times by 2, how will the area change? A, the area will double to 360 square feet. B, the area will increase by 540 square feet. C, the area will remain 180 square feet. Or D, the area will be 112 square feet. All right, if you need to, listen to this again. Do your best work. Turn the test in when you're done. Oh, not turn the test in. Submit the test on Pearson. Do your answers on Pearson when you're all done.